Plant kingdom. Plant kingdom. This lesson we have seen the classification of plants, life cycle pattern in plants, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Life cycle patterns in plants. First, the pictures of algae, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm. This is the kingdom of Plantae. Next, life cycle pattern in plants. Alternation of generation. Alternation of generation is common in all plants. Alternation of haploid gametophytic phase M with diploid sporophytic phase 2M during the life cycle is called alternation of generation. We see the picture life cycle pattern in plants. This is haplontic, diplontic, haplodiplontic, haplontic. The haplontic, the gametophyte phase is dominant. The gametophyte N, the green space are gametophytic phase. The pink space are sporophytic phase. The gametophytic N, gametogenesis syngamy, zygote 2N formation. After meiosis, the young spores come. So, the haplontic life pattern, the gametophytic phase is dominant. Diplontic, the sporophyte is 2N. The gametogenesis, meiosis. After meiosis, the young gamete produced syngamy. The two gametes join, zygote formation. After sporophyte produce. So, the sporophytic phase is dominant. This is diplontic. The haplodiplontic. The sporophytic phase is half. The gametophytic phase is half. The two phase is present in this life cycle is called haplodiplontic phase. The sporophyte, meiosis N type of spore produced gametophyte, gametogenesis. The gametes, fission of two gametes, syngamy, zygote formation, sporophyte. So, this is the gametophytic phase, this is the sporophytic phase. So, this type, haplodiplontic type. Haplontic life cycle. Gametophyte phase is dominant, photosynthetic and independent, whereas sporophytic phase is represented by the zygote. Zygote undergoes meiosis to restore haploid condition. Volvox, Spirogyra. Diplontic life cycle. Sporophytic phase 2N is dominant, photosynthetic and independent. The gametophyte phase is represented by in the single few-celled gametophyte. The gamete fuse to form zygote which develop into sporophyte. Example, fugus, gymnosperm and angiosperm. Haplodiplontic life cycle. This type of life cycle is found in bryophyte and pteridophyte, which is intermediate between haplontic and diplontic type. Both the phase are multicellular, but they differ in their dominant phase. In bryophytes, dominant independent phase is gametophyte and it's alternate with short-lived multicellular sporophyte, totally or partially dependent on the gametophyte. In pteridophyte, sporophyte is the independent phase. It is alternate with multicellular sporophytic or autotrophic independent short-lived gametophyte. Next we see algae. Algae is a simple plants that lack true roots, true stems and true leaves. It's a thallus-like structure. It's called algae. General characteristic features of algae. The algae shows a great diversity in size and shape and structure. A wide range of thallus organization is found in algae. Unicellular motile, Chlamydomonas. Unicellular non-motile, Chlorella. Colonical motile, Volvox. Colonical non-motile, Hydrotictyon. Siphonous, Vaucheria. unbranched filamentous Spirogyra, branched filamentous Gladophora, discoid Holiochaete, heterotrichus Frutiella, foliaceous Alva, to gained help Laminaria and Macrocystis. This is the picture of some algae. Thallus. This is Chlorella. This is Chlamydomonas. This is Vaucheria. This is Holiochaete. This is Frutiella. This is Alva. This is Fugus. This is Sargassum. This is Oedogonium. Next, algae are eukaryotes except blue-green algae. The plant body does not show differentiation into tissue system. The cell wall, this is important, the plant body does not show differentiation into tissue system. The cell wall of algae is made up of cellulose and hemicellulose. Siliceous wall are present in diatoms. In Chara, the thallus is encrusted with calcium carbonate. Some algae possess algin polysulfate ester of polysaccharide, which are source of the alginate, agar-agar and carrageenan. The cell has a membrane, bound nucleus and cell organelles like chloroplast, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, etc. Pyridinites are present. They are proteinaceous bodies found in chromatophores and assist in the synthesis and storage of starch. The pigmentation of reserve food material and flagellation differ among the algal group. Algal reproduce by vegetative and asexual and sexual method. This is the reproduction of algae. This is fragmentation of Spirogyra. This is formation of zoospore formation of Gladophora. This is isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy. This is the scalariform conjugation in Syngenta. Vegetative reproduction include fission. In unicellular form, the cells divided mitotically to produce two daughter cells. Example, Chlamydomonas. Fragmentation. Fragments of parent thallus grow into new individual. Example, Ulothrix. Budding. A lateral bud is formed in some members like protosiphon and helps in reproduction. Bulbils. A wedge-shaped modified branch developed in Spacillaria. Echinates. Thick-walled spores meant for pollination and germinate with the advent and favorable condition. Example, Pithophora. And tubers, structures found on the rhizoids and the lower nodes of Chara, which stores food materials. Asexual reproduction takes place by the production of zoospores, motile spores, Ulothrix, Oedogonium. Aplanospores, thin-walled non-motile spores. Example, Vaucheria. Autospores, spores which look similar to parent cell. Example, Chlorella. Hypnospores, thick-walled aplanospores. Example, Chlamydomonas nivalis. And tetraspores, developed diploid thallus of Polysiphonia, produce haploid spores after meiosis. Sexual reproduction in algae is of three types. One is anisogamy, fission of morphologically and physiologically similar gametes. Example, Ulothrix. Second one is anisogamy, fission of either morphologically or physiologically dissimilar gametes. Example, Phantorina. Oogamy, fission of both morphologically and physiologically dissimilar gametes. Example, sargassum. The life cycle shows distinct alternation of generation. Next, we see classification of algae. Classification of algae. Fritsch proposed a classification for algae based on pigmentation, types of flagella, reserve food materials, thallus structure, and reproduction. He published his classification in this book, The Structure and Reproduction of the Algae, in 1935. He classified algae into 11 classes, namely Chlorophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Bacillariophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae, Chloromonodinae, Euglenophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, and Cyanophyceae. The silent features of Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, and Rhodophyceae are given below. Chlorophyceae. The members are commonly called green algae. Most of the species are aquatic, freshwater, Spirogyra, marine alga. A few of terrestrial, Tentrifolia. Verification among the shape of the chloroplast is found in members of algae. It is cup-shaped Chlamydomonas, discoid Chara, griddle-shaped Eudothrix, reticulate Odogonia, spiral Spirogyra, stellate Zygnema, and plate-like Mavugiota. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are the major photosynthetic pigments. Storage bodies called pyrenoids are present in the chloroplast and store starch. They also contain protein. The cell wall is made up of the inner layer of cellulose, the outer layer of pectin. Vegetative reproduction takes place by means of fragmentation, and asexual reproduction is by the reproduction of zoospores, gaplonospores, and echinates. Sexual reproduction is present in may be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. Examples for these groups of algae includes Chlorella, Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Spirogyra, Eulothrix, Chara, and Alba. Phaeophyceae. The members of this class are called brown algae. Majority of the form and found in marine habitat. Plurocladia is a freshwater form. The thallus is filamentous ectocarpus, fawn-like Dictyota, or maybe giant helps, laminaria, and macrocystis. The thallus is differentiated into leaf photosynthetic leaf-like photosynthetic parts called fawns, the stalk-like structure called strips, and a holdfast which attach thallus to the substratum. The pigment includes chlorophyll A, C, carotenoids, and xanthophyll. The golden brown pigment called fugoxanthin is present and it gives shade of color from olive green to brown. The algal member of this group, monitor and laminarian E, are the reserve food material. Motile reproductive structure are present. Two laterally inserted unequal flagella are present. Among these, one is whiplash and another one is chinchal. Although sexual reproduction range from isogamy to oogamy, most of these forms shows oogamous type. Alternation of generation is present. Isomorphic, heteromorphic, diplontic. Examples for this group include sargassum, laminaria, fugus, and Dictyota. Next class, Rhodophyceae. Members of this group include red algae and are mostly marine. The thallus is multicellular, macroscopic, and diverse in forms. Porphyridium is the unicellular form, filamentous, Goniotrichum, ribbon-like Pithophora are also present. Corollinia and Lithothamnion are heavily impregnated with the lime and form coral roofs. Apart from form chlorophyll or phycoerythrin or physocyanin or the photosynthetic pigment. Asexual reproduction takes place by the means of monospores, natural spores and tetraspores. The storage product is Floridian starch. Sexual reproduction is oogamous. Male sex organ is spermatangium, which produce spermatium. Female sex organ is called carpogonium. The spermatium is carried by the water currents and fuse the egg nucleus to form zygote. The zygote develops into carpospores. Meiosis occurs during carpospore formation. Alternation of generation is present. Examples of these groups of algae include Ceramium, Polysiphonia, Gelidium, Cryptonimia and Gigardiana. Next, Bryophyte. This is the amphibian of plant kingdom. Bryophytes are simplest and most primitive plant group, descanted from alga-like ancestor. They are simple embryophytes. The general characteristic features of bryophytes. The plant body of bryophyte is gametophyte and is not differentiated into root, stem and leaf-like structure. Most of them are primitive land dweller. Some of them are aquatic. Rhiella, Rhixiocarpus. The gametophyte is horn-species, long-lived phase of life cycle. Thalloid forms are present in liverworts and hornworts. In meiosis, leaf-like, stem-like structures are present. In mosses, leaf-like and stem-like structure are present. In liverworts, thallus grows prostrate on the ground and is attached to the substratum by means of rhizoid. Two types of rhizoids are present in, namely smooth-walled and pegged or tuberculate. Multicellular scale are also present. In mosses, leaf-like, stem-like structures are present. In liverworts, thallus grow prostrate on the ground and it's attached to the substratum by means of rhizoid. Two types of rhizoids are present in, namely smooth-walled and pegged or tuberculate. Multicellular scales are also present. In moss, the plant body is erect with the central axis bearing leaf-like expansion. Multicellular rhizoids are present. The structure and reproduction of bryophytes is given. This is the structure of bryophyte. The structure and reproduction of bryophyte is given. This is Anthoceras. This is hornworts. This is horn-like structure. The thallus is substrate. This is Funaria. It is a moss. This is rhizoid. That is leaf-like, stem-like structure. This is capsule. This is two types of rhizoids. Pegged rhizoids. This is the pegged rhizoid and this is the smooth-walled rhizoid. This is sphagnum moss. This is fragmentation of Rhixia. This is tubers produce Anthoceras. This is gemme produce Morgantia. Gemme. This is gemme cup. Vascular tissues like xylem and phloem are completely absent hence called non-vascular cryptogams. Vegetative reproduction takes place by the formation of adventitious bud, Riccia fluitans. Tuber develop in Anthoceras. In some forms, some small detachable branches or broad bodies are formed by their help in vegetative reproduction, as in Bryopteris, fruticulosa in Morgantia. Propagative organs called gemmae are formed and help of reproduction. The gemmae produce gemma, the asexual reproduction. Next, sexual reproduction is oogamous. Antheridia and Archegonia are produced in the protective covering and are multicellular. The Antheridia produce biflagellate anthrozoid which swim the thin film and water and reach the Archegonium and fuse the egg, form diploid zygote. Water is essential for fertilization. Water is essential for fertilization. The zygote is first cell of the sporophyte generation. It is undergoes meiotic division to form multicellular undifferentiated embryo. The embryogeny is exoscopic. The first division of zygotes is transfer and the apex of the embryo develops from the outer cell. The embryo is divided and gives rise to sporophyte. The sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte. It is differentiated into three recognizable parts, namely foods, seta, capsule. Foot is the basal portion and is embedded in the gametophyte through which water and nutrients are supplied from the sporophyte. For the sporophyte, the diploid spores, mother cells found in the capsules regions, undergoes meiotic division and gives rise to haploid spores. Bryophytes are homosporous. In some sporophyte, elaters are present and helps in dispersal of spores. Example, Morgantia. The spores germinate to produce gametophyte. The zygote, embryo and the sporogonium constitute sporophytic phase. The green long-living haploid phase is called gametophytic phase. The haploid gametophytic phase alternates with diploid sporophytic and shows heterologous alternation of generation. Prosker in the year 1957 classified bryophytes into three classes, namely Hepaticopsida, Anthoceratopsida, Bryopsida. Hepaticopsida, example for Riccia, Morgantia, Porella and Riella. Anthoceratopsida, example for Anthoceras and Dendroceras. Bryopsida, example for Funaria, Polytrichum and Sphagnum. This is the classification of bryophytes.